Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a trade-in of ours. It's a 2017 Sea Ray 350 SLX with outboards. Starting here off the transom, we have three 300 horsepower Mercury Verados. Big aft sun pad on this boat. Moving in, you have a freshwater shower. Isinglass enclosure will extend your season, early in the season or late fall. Keep you out of the elements. Moving to the wet bar here, we have a refrigerator. Dedicated spot for a trash bin. Nice wraparound seating in here. Upholstery is in beautiful condition. Table pops up right out of the floor. This seat will swivel, face aft, also face forward. We have the opening canvas option in the hardtop on this boat. That will give you a lot of shade. Bathroom, that's a vacuum flush head with a sink. Moving to the dash, we have two Raymarine screens. That's going to give you GPS and also depth finder. We have the Mercury joystick piloting, trim tabs. All your engine data is integrated into this display here, and then switching. Starboard side, nice storage area. This is all storage underneath here. And then moving up to the bow, big wraparound seating, storage underneath all these seats. Easy access to your windlass. You have a remote up here, also a freshwater shower. That concludes today's walkthrough on the 2017 Sea Ray 350 SLX. Give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.